Alright guys, welcome to a new video. Today I have an amazing update for you. So first of all, I want to start with something funny. One of the VIP traders from the Discord said yesterday, Claudius, is this not a cup and handle pattern on Bitcoin right now? For everyone who is new here on this channel, a cup and handle pattern is a bullish pattern. Essentially here, you have a cup-shaped valley, and then here, you have a handle up here. And the target of this pattern is measured like this. You go from the bottom of the cup all the way to the top here, and then you would essentially take this target all the way up here, and this would give us around $123,000 as a target for Bitcoin. I am not a big fan of this pattern because number one, it is a very sketchy pattern and it's not a very precise pattern. As you can see, this here is not really a proper valley, and you can see here, there are loads of imperfections here. However, the reason why this pattern actually works out many times is because the last part of the pattern is a legitimate, quite consistent pattern, which is a bull flag. So in my opinion, I would completely ignore all the left part here, because if you're honest, the cup and handle pattern is nothing more than a nice bull flag with just some stuff here before that. Let's only focus on this bull flag because this is the important consistent pattern. Now we have to be really careful because number one, we are very close to this trend line here on the bull flag where, like I said, we could get rejected. Also, at the same time, we are in the middle of this resistance zone. Again, so we have two potential reasons of why this level is a rejection level to drop lower. However, if we zoom in on the 4-hour chart, we can see first of all that we have been chilling inside this resistance zone since essentially here, you can see Friday afternoon. So since Friday, we are just sideways inside this channel. I will give you now 3 seconds time to look at this because something is brewing or boiling up right here. First of all, we got rejected right here once, twice, 3 times. And like I said, we could get rejected for a 4th time right here. However, at the same time, we have higher lows, which means while the sellers keep the same level, they protect the level, the buyers are getting stronger. For everyone who is new on this channel, this also is an ascending triangle pattern, which means we have equal highs and we have higher lows. So this here is a very bullish pattern, which means the sellers keep the same strength right here on the top. They push the price down every single time, but the buyers get stronger every single time until eventually, most likely, it escalates to the upside. 60% of the time, this pattern breaks up, and 40% of the time, the pattern breaks down because eventually the sellers can no longer hold the level and the buyers get stronger every single time until here it explodes to the upside. On top of this, as an extra confluence, above us, we have tons of liquidity, aka potential liquidations, which might get triggered if we reach further into this level, which is additional fuel, aka buying pressure, to rocket the price up even faster to our beautiful $71,000 level. I showed this also yesterday on the liquidation heat map. As you can see, above us, we have lots of yellow. So this here are liquidation levels, which means lots of short sellers get liquidated. And as you know, when a short trade gets liquidated, these people have to buy back what they first sold. So this here is additional buying pressure. Even on the small time frame right here, we can see that we have way more liquidations above us than below us. So again, market makers want to make the most money. So for them, it would make more sense to first liquidate all these people and to pick up all this money laying right here. Now something very exciting for everyone who loves Ethereum, just like myself. In 3 days, we have the final deadline for one of the first Ethereum ETFs, which means in 3 days, it's decided if it gets approved or if not. Right now, the chances are only 10% that this Ethereum ETF will actually get approved. This means that if the Ethereum ETF gets rejected, not much will happen because most people expect this scenario anyway to happen. However, if the Ethereum ETF, against all the odds, will actually get approved, Ethereum will completely rocket through the sky. And this will be massively unexpected. I don't think the chance here is 10%. I think it's more towards like 20, 25, even 30%. If this Ethereum ETF does not get approved in the next 3 days, it's also not a big issue because there are also many other Ethereum ETFs in the pipeline. So eventually, I believe there will be an Ethereum ETF. So sooner or later, Ethereum will have a massive pump to the upside. So we have to keep an eye on this, and I will also keep you updated on this channel about the ETF right here. If you enjoy these quick updates, please give this video also a like. Also, leave a comment, make sure you subscribe, hit the ring bell. Tomorrow, I will keep you updated on all of this again. So thanks again for your support. I will see you guys tomorrow. Peace.